Adventure awaits. Let's see what's down this street. Wow, you fit it! Yeah, but the squeaky ball is next.
Make sure you can carry it, little ones.
Meow, meow, meow.
Isn't this the perfect day for the beach, guys?
The water feels amazing.
Let's go swim out further. Next in line, please. What can I get for you today?
I'll have 1 scoop of the matcha, please.
Wow, that looks amazing. I can't wait.
Welcome, Meow. Here is your order.
Thank you, little one. It looks wonderful.
Here is the menu, madam. Thank you very much. It looks wonderful.
I'd like the strawberry shortcake and a coffee, please.
Right away. That will be all.
He is a after activity and the influencer is killed based on the established rules.